Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm introducing women elegant, comfortable blouses, perfect for every occasion. Upgrade your wardrobe with these beautifully designed women blouses that blend style, comfort, and versatility, effortlessly crafted from premium quality fabric. These blouses offer a soft, breathable feel, making it ideal for all-day wear. The lightweight material drapes gracefully, giving you a polished and flattering look, designed with a modern yet timeless silhouette. This blouse features fine stitching, a neat neckline, and well-finished sleeves that enhance its overall elegance. Whether you are heading to the office, college, casual outings, family gatherings, or daily wear, this blouse adapts perfectly to every occasion. Its versatility design allows easy wearing with pants, skirts, jeans, trousers, or midi skirts, making it a must-have staple for every woman closet. The blouses maintain its shapes and color even after multiple washes, ensuring long-lasting wear and durability are available in trendy colors and sizes. This blouse is suitable for women of all ages who appreciate comfort without compromising on style, a perfect choice for daily wear, office wear, semi-formal events, and casual chic look. Premium women's stylish blouses, comforts, meet elegance, elevate your everyday and occasion wear with this executively crafted women blouses designed to offer perfect balance of sophistication, comfort, and modern fashion. Made from high quality, skin friendly fabric, this blouse feels expectationally soft on the skin while remaining breathable, lightweight, and easy to wear throughout the day. The blouse showcases a refined silhouette with a graceful tailoring, ensuring a flattering fit for all body types. Its elegant neckline and carefully designed sleeves add a touch of class, making it suitable for both formal and casual styling. The smooth finish and attention to detail reflects superior craftsmanship, giving the blouse premium look and feel, perfect for office wear, college wear, daily errands, casual meetups, family gatherings, and semi-formal occasion. This blouse transition effortlessly from day to evening. Pair it with tailored trousers for professional looks, skirts for feminine touch, or jeans for relaxed everyday styling. Designed in for durability, the fabric retains its shape, textures, and color. Even after repeated washes, easy to maintain and wrinkle resistant, this blouse is ideal for women with a busy lifestyles who still want to look stylish and confident. Available in a range of fashion forward color sizes, this blouse suits women of all ages who value versatility, wardrobe under jackets or carditions. It delivers timeless elegance with modern appeal. Luxury women blouses, timeless elegance with everyday comfort. Discover the perfect blend of refined, elegant, superior comfort and contemporary fashion with these beautifully designed women blouses, thoughtfully crafted using premium grade breathable fabric. This blouse offers an ultra soft touch against the skin while allowing excellent air falling, making it ideal for excellent wear and every season. The design features a gracefully tailored silhouette that enhances your natural shape without compromising comfort. A sophisticated neckline, expertly finished seams, and precisely styled sleeves create a polished and elegant appearance. The blouse flows effortlessly on the body, offering a flattering drape that complements all body types and adds an instant touch of classy to any outfit, perfect for office wear, professional meetings, family gatherings, semi-formal events, and everyday styling. This blouse adapts seamlessly to multiple occasions. Style it with treated trousers for professional look, midi or pencil skirts for a refined feminine appearance, or denim for a relaxed yet stylish everyday outfit designed for modern women. This blouse combines beauty with practicality. The fabric is durable, wrinkle resistant, color fast, and easy to maintain, ensuring its look fresh and elegant ever after repeated washes. Its lightweight construction allows comfortable layering under blazers, cardigans, or shawls, making it a versatility year-round wardrobe essential. Available in a curated selection of trendy and classic colors and offered inclusive sizing. This blouse is suitable for women for all ages who appreciate quality craftsmanship and timeless style. Whether worn for work, daily wear, or special occasion, it delivers confident applications and effortless charm. Product features and benefit: premium soft breathable skin friendly fabric, elegant tailoring with refined finishing, comfortable fit for all day wear, and versatility styling for office casual and semi-formal use, long-lasting color, shape and fabric, easy to care and low maintenance. Add this elegant blouse to your collection and enjoy a wardrobe staple that reflects confidence, grace, and modern femininity. A piece designed to elevate your style and everyday look. Ultra premium women blouses, a statement of elegance, comfort, and versatility. Step into effortless showcation with these executively crafted women blouses designed to celebrate modern femininity, timeless fashion, and everyday comfort, created using carefully selected high quality fabric. These blouses offer a luxurious feel while remaining breathable, lightweight, and gentle on the skin, making it an ideal choice for extending daily wear and across all seasons. The blouse features beautifully structured yet relaxed silhouette that flatters the all body type without feeling restrictive. Its elegant neckline, roughly shaped sleeves, and clean precise stitching reflects expectational craftsmanship and attention to detail. The smooth drape of the fabric enhances movement and adds a graceful flow, ensuring you look polished and confident from every angle. Perfectly suited for office wear, business meeting, college life, casual outings, family gatherings, semi-formal events, and refined daily wear. This blouse transition effortlessly from day to evening. Pair it with the formal trouser for professional looks, skirts or plazos for a chic feminine style, or jeans for smart casual appearance. It also layers beautifully under blazer, coats, cardigans, bringing it year-round wardrobe essential, designed with practicality in mind. This blouse is wrinkle resistant, fade resistant, and easy to maintain, allowing it to retain its elegance and freshness. Even after multiple washes, the durable fabric ensures long-lasting wear while maintaining its shape, textures, and color integrity over time. Available in a thoroughly curated range of classic neutrals and fashion forward colors and offered in inclusive sizes. These blouses caters to women for all ages and style preference, whether worn for professional settings, everyday comfort, or special occasion. It delivers unmatched versatility and timeless appeal. Key features and highlight: premium quality, soft and breathable fabric, flattering silhouette with elegant drape, expert tailoring and refined finishing, comfortable for long hours of wear, easy to style or formal casual daily looks, durable color, fast and low maintenance fabric. Add this blouse to your wardrobe and experience a piece that goes beyond fashion, a symbol of confidence, elegance, and effortless style. Designed to complement your lifestyle and elevate your everyday look. Signature women blouses where timeless style meets everyday luxury. Refine your wardrobe with these executively designed women blouses crafted from women who value elegance, comfort, and versatility in every detail. Crafted from premium quality, breathable fabric, this blouse delivers a soft, smooth, and lightweight feel that stay comfortable throughout the day while maintaining a refined and polished appearance. The fabric has been carefully selected to provide excellent airflow, durability, and color retention, ensuring the blouse remains fresh, vibrant, and stylish. Even after repeated wear and washes, its gentle textures make it suitable for all skin types, allowing you to move confidently through your day without discomfort. Designed with a modern yet timeless silhouette, this blouse flatters the natural shape of the body while offering a relaxed, comfortable fit. The elegant neckline add a sophistication touch, while expertly tailored sleeves enhance the overall expertly balance of the design. Fine stitching and curated design maintain a neat and colored appearance. Pair it with jeans and its gentle textures make it suitable for all skin types, allowing you to move confidently throughout your today without discomfort. Designed with a modern yet timeless silhouette, this blouse flatters the natural shape of the body while offering a relaxed and comfortable fit. The elegant neckline and its sophistication touch, while the expertly tailored sleeves enhance the overall balance of the design. Fine stitching and clean finishing highlight superior craftsmanship, making this blouse a standout piece in any wardrobe. This versatile blouse is perfect for a wide range of occasions, including office wear, professional meetings, college wear, casual outings, daily events, family gatherings, semi-formal events, and relaxed evening looks. It transitions effortlessly from day to night, making it a reliable choice for women with busy lifestyle. Style it with formal trousers, pencil skirt for confident professional appearance, midi skirt or palazzo for an elegant feminine look, or jeans and flats for comfortable everyday wear. Layer it with under blazers, cardigans, or light jackets to create season-ready outfits that reflects effortless sophistication. Vibrant its aesthetic appeal, this blouse is designed for practical everyday use. The wrinkle-resistant fabric helps maintain a neat look throughout the day, while the color fast quality ensures long-lasting variable vibrancy and easy to wash and low maintenance. It is a dependable choice for modern women who want fashion without effort. Available in a thoroughly curated selection of classic, neutral, and trend-inspired colors, as well as inclusive sizing options. This blouse is suitable for women of all ages and style preference, whether you prefer minimal elegance or chic everyday fashion. This blouse styles beautifully to your personal style. Why you love this blouse? Premium, soft, breathable, and skin friendly fabric, elegant silhouette with a flattering drape, high quality stitching and refined finishing, comfortable for long hours of wear, easy to style for office, casual, daily outfits, durable, wrinkle resistant, easy to maintain, suitable for all seasons and occasions. Add this showcation blouse to your collection and expensive a wardrobe essential that delivers confident elegance and lasting comfort, a timeless piece designed to enhance your everyday style and elevate your presence whenever you go and your day takes you. Ultimate Woman Blouse is a perfect expression of style, comfort, and everyday elegance. This beautifully crafted woman blouse is designed to become an essential part of your wardrobe, offering an expectational combination of luxurious comfort, timeless elegance, and modern versatility. Made from high-grade, carefully selected fabric, this blouse provides a soft, breathable, and lightweight feel that ensures maximum comfort throughout the day. While maintaining a refined and polished look, the fabric is quality stands out of its smooth texture, durable and excellent color retention. It's gentle on the skin, allowing easy movement and airflow, making it ideal for long hours of wear in both warm and mild weather. The blouse resists roughness and peeling and fading, ensuring its look fresh, elegant, and new even after repeated washing. Designed with a balanced, flattering silhouette, this blouse complements all body types without feeling tight or restrictive. The carefully structured neckline enhances the overall elegance, while the thoughtfully designed sleeves add a graceful finish to the look. Every seam and stitch reflects the craftsmanship, highlights attention to detail, and superior tailoring. This blouse crafted for women who value effortless style and practical fashion, whether you are dressing for a busy workday or casual outing or semi-formal gathering. This blouse adapts effortlessly to every stitching. It is ideal for office wear, professional meetings, college wear, and daily errands, casual lunches, family gatherings, and relaxed evening outings. Style it with tailored trousers, straight pants for confident professional appearance, skirts with plazos for an elegant feminine look, or jeans for smart casual everyday outfit. The blouse also layers beautifully under blazer, cardigans, rolls, or light jackets, making it suitable for year-round styling. In addition to its elegant appearance, this blouse is designed with everyday practicality in mind. The wrinkle resistant and easy care fabric helps maintain a neat and polished look throughout the day, reducing the need for constant ironing. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting wear, making it reliable and very valuable addition to your wardrobe. Available in a versatile range of classic, neutral, and trend-inspired colors, this blouse allows you to choose shades that suits your personal style, offering its inclusive sizes. It's suitable for women for all ages who appreciate comfort and elegance and quality fashions. This blouse is more than just a clothing item, it is a wardrobe essential that reflects confidence, sophistication, and effortless charm. Whether worn for work, daily wear, or casual occasions, it delivers a graceful look that never goes out of style. Product highlights and benefits: premium quality, breathable, and skin friendly fabric, soft, lightweight, and comfortable for all day wear, flattering silhouette with elegant drape, high quality stitching, and refined finishing, easy to style for office, casual, and daily looks, wrinkle resistant, fine resistant and low maintenance, durable fabric with long lasting color and shape, suitable for all seasons and occasions. Add this timeless blouse to your collection and experience fashion that combines comfort, durability, and refined elegance. Designed for modern women who value quality and style, with blouse ensures look confident, graceful, and effortless stylish every single day. Supreme Women Blouses, a masterpiece of elegance, comfort, and everyday sophistication, designed for women who appreciate refined style and uncompromising comfort. This executive blouse is true reflection of modern elegance, blended with timeless fashion sensibility. Every element of this blouse has been thoroughly created, deliver not only beauty but also functionality, make it an essential piece for a versatile and well curated wardrobe. Crafted from premium quality, high performance fabric, the blouse offers an exceptionally soft and smooth textures that feels gentle against the skin. The breathable nature of the material allowing continuous airflow, keeping you comfortable and confident throughout the day. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, lightweight yet durable, the fabric ensures ease of movement while maintaining a graceful structure that enhance your overall appearance. The blouse features a beautifully balanced silhouette designed to flatter all body shapes. It skims the body naturally without clinging, creating a polished and elegant look while allowing all day comfort. The neckline is carefully shaped to add sophistication without being overpowering, while the sleeves are designed to provide a defined finish that complements the overall aesthetics. Expert tailoring and precision stitching are visible in every detail, reflecting superior craftsmanship and attention to quality. The seams are smooth, strong, and durable, ensuring long-lasting wear. The fabric resists threading and padding shrinking and peeling, allowing the blouse to maintain its original beauty even after repeated washes. This blouse is perfect choice for a wide range of occasions. It is ideally suited for office wear, corporate meetings, professional environments, college and university wear, daily routines, casual outings, family gatherings, semi-formal events, and relaxed evening occasions. Its adaptable design allows you to transition effortlessly from a professional daytime look to a refined evening outfit, style it with tailored trouser or straight pants for a clean, confident outfit look. Fancy or midi skirts for sophisticated feminine style, or jeans and flats for a smart, casual appearance. The blouse also works beautifully as layering piece under blazers, waistcoats, cardigans, shawls, or light jackets, making it suitable for all season. Practicality meets luxury in this through fully designed blouse, wrinkle resistant and easy to care fabric, minimizing ironing time, making it an ideal for busy lifestyle. The breathable construction show comfort, durable, long hours of wear, while the durable quality makes it a reliable everyday essentials. Available in carefully curated selection of classic neutrals, soft pastels, and trend-inspired colors. This blouse allow you to express your personal style every day. Effortless, offered in inclusive sizing. It is designed to suit women for all ages who value comfort, elegance, timeless fashion. More than just a garment, this blouse represents confidence, grace, understanding, luxury. It is a wardrobe staple that never goes out of style, offering endless styling possibilities and long-term value. Detailed feature and benefits: premium grade breathable skin friendly fabric, ultra soft textures with lightweight comfort, flattering relaxed yet elegant silhouette, sophisticated neckline and refined sleeve designs, high quality stitching and expert tailoring, wrinkle resistant, fade resistant, easy to maintain, durable fabric with long lasting shape and color, perfect for office, casual, daily and semi-formal wear, suitable for all seasons and leaning styles. Add this expectational blouse to your wardrobe and experience fashion that goes by one trends. Designed to complement your lifestyle, enhance your confidence, and elevate your everyday look, this blouse delivers effortlessly elegance, lasting comfort, and timeless appeal, a true essential for modern women. Ionic women blouses designed for confident crafted from comfort style for every moment. This elegant woman blouse is more than just a fashion piece. It is a celebration of modern femininity, timeless design, and everyday luxury crafted. Created for women who seek style without sacrificing comfort, this blouse blends refined aesthetics with the practicality, variability, making it a construction of a well-balanced wardrobe, expertly crafted from premium quality, carefully sourced fabric. This blouse offers an ultra-soft, smooth, and breathable feel against the skin. The lightweight and construction ensures comfort throughout long hours of wear, while the fabric durability guarantees that the blouse maintains its beauty, texture, structure, sustainable. It's provide luxurious wearing experience in every season. This silhouette has been thoroughly designed to achieve the perfect balance between structure and ease. It's flattered the body naturally, allowing freedom of movement while maintaining a it flatters the body naturally, allowing freedom of movement while maintaining a polished and graceful appearance. The neckline is gracefully shaped to enhance elegance without being overpowering. The sleeves and carefully proportioned to add sophistication and balanced overall look every day. And this blouse reflects fine craftsmanship and attention to quality, from the precision stitching and clean seams and smooth finishing. Each element has been executed with care to ensure durability and visual appeal. The fabric is resistant to padding, shrinking, and peeling, ensuring the blouse remains fresh and elegant even after repeated use and washing. Designed for real life versatility, this blouse transitions seamlessly across different occasion settings. It is ideal for office wear, professional environments, corporate meetings, college and university wear, daily routines, casual outings, family gatherings, brunches, semi-formal events, and relaxed evening occasions. Whether you are dressing up for work or styling for a comfortable everyday look, this blouse adapts effortlessly. Pair it with the tailored trousers, straight cut pants for a clean, comfortable, and aesthetic look. It is for relaxed yet refined everyday outfit. It's layered beautifully under blazer, waistcoat, cardigan, shawls, or light jackets, making it suitable for masterpiece of elegance, comfort, and everyday sophistication. Designed for women who appreciate refined style and uncompromising comfort, this execute blouse is true reflection of modern elegance blended with timeless fashion sensibility. Every element of this blouse has been thoroughly created to deliver not only beauty but also functionality, making it an essential piece for versatile, well curated wardrobe crafted from premium quality, high performance fabric. The blouse offers an exceptionally soft and smooth texture that feels gentle against the skin. The breathable nature of the material allow continuous airflow, keeping you comfortable and confident throughout the day. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, lightweight yet durable fabric ensure ease of movement while maintaining a graceful structure that enhance your overall appearance. The blouse features a beautifully balanced silhouette designed to flatter all body shape. It skims the body naturally without claiming, creating a polished and elegant look while allowing you all the comfort. The neckline is carefully shaped to add sophistication without being overpowering, while the sleeves are designed to provide a refined finish that complements the overall aesthetic. Expert tailoring and precision stitching are visible in every detail, reflect superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. The seams are smooth, strong, and durable, ensuring long-lasting wear. The fabric resistance, padding, shrinking, and playing, allowing the blouse to maintain its original beauty and after repeated washes. This blouse is perfect for choice for wide range of occasions. It's daily suited for office wear, corporate meetings, professional environments, college and university wear, daily routines, casual outings, family gatherings, semi-formal events, and relaxed evening occasion. Its adaptable design allow you to transition effortlessly from a professional daytime look to a refined evening outfit. Style it with tailored trousers or straight pants for a clean and confident office look, pencil or midi skirts for sophisticated feminine style, or jeans and flats for smooth casual appearance. The blouse also works beautifully as a layering piece and under blazer, waistcoat, cardigan, shawls, or light jackets, making it suitable for all season. Practicality meets luxurious in this through fully designed blouse. The wrinkle resistance and easy care fabric minimizes iron time, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. The breathable construction, ensuring comfort, durable, long hours of wear, while the durable quality makes it reliable everyday essential. Available in carefully curated selection of classic neutrals, soft pastels, and trend-inspired colors. This blouse allows you to express your personal style effortlessly. Offered inclusive size, it is designed to suit women for all ages who value comfort, elegance, and timeless fashion. More than just a garment, this blouse represents confidence, grace, understanding, luxurious. It is a wardrobe staple that never goes out of styling, offering a sliding possibilities in long-lasting term of value. Detailing features and benefit: premium grade, breathable and skinny-friendly fabric, ultra-soft textures, lightweight comfort, and flattering, relaxed yet elegant silhouette, sophisticated neckline, refined sleeve design, high quality stitching, expert tailoring, wrinkle resistant, fade resistant, easy to maintain, durable fabric with long lasting shape and color, perfect for office, casual, daily, and semi formal wear, suitable for all season and layering styles. Add this expectation blouse to your wardrobe and experience fashion that goes by one trend. Designed to complement your lifestyle, enhance your confidence, and elevate your everyday look. This blouse delivers effortless elegance, lasting comfort, timeless appeal, a true essential for modern women and icon women. Blouse is designed for confidence, crafted for comfort, style, and every moment. This elegant woman blouse is more than just a fashion piece; it is a celebration of modern femininity, timeless design, and everyday luxury, crafted for women who seek style without sacrificing comfort. This blouse blends refined aesthetic, practically variability, making it a cornerstone and a well-defined balanced wardrobe expertly crafted from premium quality, carefully sourced fabric. This blouse offers an ultra soft, smooth, and breathable feel against the skin. The lightweight construction ensures comfort throughout long hours of wear. While the fabric durability guarantees that the blouse maintains the beauty, texture, and structure over time. Designed to feel gentle yet sustainable, it provides luxurious wearing experience in every season. The silhouette has been thoroughly designed to achieve the perfect balance, structure, and ease. It flatters the body naturally, allowing freedom of movement while maintaining a polished, graceful appearance. The neckline is tastefully shaped to enhance elegance without being overpowering, and the sleeves are carefully proportional to add sophistication balance to overall look. Every detail of this blouse reflects fine craftsmanship from the precision tailoring, and each element has been executed with care ensure durability and visual appeal. The fabric is resistant to fading, streaking, peeling, and ensuring blouse remains fresh and elegant after repeat washes. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Designed for real life versatility, this blouse transitions seamlessly across different occasions and settings. It is ideal for office wear, professional environments, corporate meetings, and casual outings. Thank you for watching my video. Allah